many satellites are there? And how many moons set on you and me? How many of your new friends know about the wolves above your childhood bed? Wolf girl, don't let 'em get you down. And don't forget that you're a wolf girl. It all comes back around. How many people have you told the things we say? Late nights all alone. Our secrets seem so silly now, so much brighter once we shared the burden. Well, the world's too big, better crush it down. Don't hang up, put together now. There's a cloud here that reminds me of you. Blooms that it's gone with the morning dew, but wolf girl, don't let it get you down. And don't forget that you're a wolf girl. It all comes back around. And wolf girl, don't forget how we would. How the distance between us just cracks in the pavement. All the hours together, we got photos to remember. The boat to Santa Barbara, another apartment, Hawaii, Georgia, the backseat, red tone, heartbeat, chorus frog in your backyard, a form of love that you wrote on a postcard, California, Astoria, glimmering leaves in a new way of knowing ya. We go our own way now. I got a peach and I bought in a Reno, oh, a flower, a daughter. I found you, I found you. Ooh, no, no, no. The hotel lobby at Starbucks, you gave me a new name, a new face, so I live now by your grace, wolf girl. Don't let 'em get you down. And don't forget that you're a wolf girl. It all comes back around. Wolf girl, don't forget how we would.